So I just wanted to do a quick video here because I was called out to a conference in the Caribbean, and I was at one of the buffets, and I tried a little bit of the honey, and I knew instantly that it was all natural, unpasteurized, local honey. And if you're a beekeeper and you've tasted your own honey, you know what I mean. Your own honey straight from a hive tastes like nothing else in the world. It can't be duplicated. And so I started asking around to the locals as to how that honey got here. And sure enough, there was a local beekeeper not 20 minutes away that was providing this hotel with their honey. And I asked if I could get a hold of him, and I wasn't able to talk to him directly, but a person did talk to him, and I asked them if I could go see his hives. And he was away, so he couldn't accompany me there, but he did give me permission to go check out his hives. I didn't want to spend too much time with them. I didn't want to bother them or anything, but I did take a really off-road trip into the wilderness to check out this beehive. So or this apiary, which I must have had 12, 15 hives in it. So have a look and hope you enjoy. Just a quick little video from 40 Honeybee.
Si desea almorzar, puede almorzar en Morón, en un restaurante, o en la misma comunidad hay un restaurante también donde usted desee. Igual que
Hey, it's Frank here with 40 Honeybee, and we're checking out beehives in the Caribbean, Cuba to be exact. Let's see how they differ from ours, and thanks for joining me on 40 Honeybee. Wow.